I'm Gary Lightfoot with Lightfoot Mechanical. We're an air conditioning, heating, plumbing, and electrical contractor. I've been through a lot of SEO companies. I've been in the business for over 20 years. With Digital's outperformed them, bar none, and has just done a really good job for me.
I'm in the marketing world. I've dealt with a lot of internet marketing companies, and they all promise you exactly the same thing. They all tell you that they're going to provide these certain results. They all tell you they're going to do this kind of communication. And I can honestly say that WIT is the only one that's actually delivered.
They do a great job in communication. I feel like I can trust them. They will adjust on the fly. Anything we need done, they handle it and get it taken care of for me.
I hear from them all the time. It's a personal relationship, and that's what they're about, is building the relationship with their clients so that you're both working towards the same goals.
We've grown a lot over the last few years. In fact, we made the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies in 2018. They were a big part of that success.
Just amazing to have people in my corner growing my business with me and taking that ownership mentality, saying, we're going to make this happen for you. And so it blows me away every single time I talk to them, and working with them has just been an incredible honor.